In this video I am going to tell you how you can open Play Store in LG Smart TV. First of all, you can check whether in your LG Content Store. So go to LG Content Store and find whether you can find any Play Store application here. You can look at here and there, and you can also search this on your search bar. In Play Store is not available. You can type it and also try to search. So it is not available in LG Content Store anywhere. You can do it practically. So I am not able to find Play Store in my LG Content Store. So what I will do, I will move to the next step. I will simply go for LG web browser. So I will open LG web browser. I will open google.com, and herein I need to log in with my username and password in my Google account. After that I need to simply type Play Store here. After that I will get a link of Play Store in my LG TV, and make sure that you are logged into your Gmail account. So you need to open your Play Store application here, and Play Store will open up. You can see it is available for apps, TVs and everything, and you can look for any application here. Make sure that you will only be able to open Play Store in your LG TV, but it is not possible to install any application because LG TV runs on Webos Operating System, and Play Store allows only Android based operating system. So make sure that you will not be able to, you can view it, you can find your favorite apps, your stuff here, but you can see this pre-videos also playing, so you can find your favorite stuff here. But installing it not possible. You need to install an external device. I will share you a link how you can do it. You can need to buy an external device like Google Chrome. I hope friends now you will be able to do it. If you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button, also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.